How are you?
What's up?
What's up?
Yeah.
Nothing. Sorry, I was running to get my phone. How are you?
Good.
You're good?
And they broke again.
What broke?
Toy.
The toy?
No, they toy.
Oh, the boy. Oh, got it. How did that happen?
They did,
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Well, how was the rest of your day?
Good.
Good. What are you doing?
I'm playing my toys and your toys and Jack's toys.
And Jack's toys?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's nice. Where is Jack?
I don't see him.
You don't see him? Oh, maybe he went outside for a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh. I wanted to ask you, did you take Jack for a walk?
Yeah.
Where'd you go?
But,
To the park? How fun is that?
good.
Good?
Yeah.
Good. Did you get to play at the park or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, raining.
It was raining today? I thought it was raining yesterday. I thought today was nice.
Yeah.
Oh.
Mommy, raining.
It's raining.
Yeah.
Sorry to hear that. Well, I miss you.
I mean you too.
Yeah.
Bye.
That's it?
Yeah.
What about I love you?
I love you too.
Oh, I love you. Kisses? Mwah.
Bye.
Bye,
I
sweet.
gotta go.
You gotta go?
Yeah.
All right. I'll talk to you tomorrow?
Yeah.
All right, call me.
Okay.
All right, bye.
Bye. Beep.
It's so fun.
Yeah.
I love when you call me.